Monica, speaking of rallies, the rally in small caps off the March lows has been stronger than the historical norm. So as a result, one strategist is urging caution. We're going to find out more and check in with John Ehrlichman again. He is back at our markets desk. John?
Hey, Scarlett, and speaking of moves that perhaps not all were expecting, we can talk about the performance of the Russell 2000 versus the S&P since the March lows. Now, we know about that move in the S&P, still up 45% since those lows, but the Russell easily outperforming the S&P with a gain of 57% over that stretch. And you can find this type of performance in all sorts of names in the small cap space. Some of the standouts, by the way, on the year in the car rental space, a name like Avis Budget, Arvin Meritor, or Boise in the paper and packaging space, all with incredible performance for 2009, even though they're all coming off money-losing quarters. Bank of America Merrill Lynch coming out with a note on Monday saying that the move we've seen is stronger than the typical bear market bounce for small caps. And yes, indeed, they are urging caution, citing the fact that typically in the September and October period, you do tend to see underperformance from small caps. Their suggestion being, at this stage, move up the market cap ladder, if you will. By the way, they do think growth names will outperform value names in the small cap space. One final note, financials. They say cyclicals of financials, as far as sector performance in that September and October period, tend to underperform groups like consumer staples and utilities. And it's worth noting because even though financials no longer make up the heaviest weighting in the S&P, they do make up the biggest weighting in the Russell 2000 at more than 20%. Scarlett?
Thanks so much.